Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Kicks 23 back with another video, and in today's video I will be revealing what is in my SprayGround mystery bag. Now I've looked inside, and to be fair, or to be honest, the items are actually not that bad, but yeah. So before the video even starts, shout out to my boy Khalid for making this video even happen, because he actually gave me this from the event from yesterday's vlog. Links down in the description below if you didn't watch it. I basically went to an event from KA1 Clothing, and they actually had like a fashion show, and it was pretty dope. Fusi was there, Face Rug, Mo Vlogs, Rashid aka Money Cakes was there, and yeah, without further ado guys, let's get into the video. So this is basically what it looks like. I got it from a store in City Walk, which the event was held in. So yeah, by the way, SprayGround is, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it is also owned by Rashid aka Money Cakes, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so let's open. It comes from really nice kind of decoration from the store, and let's open it. So 2 items. Okay, so it's basically a SprayGround keychain, like you can put in your bag, and you can put like your money in or some coins, and really dope. I really like the shark kind of decoration or design here, and SprayGround, which says here SprayGround. It also comes with the tag. Now I might be putting this in my room. I won't be putting it on my bag. Maybe on my bag, maybe not. But it's really nice, really dope to put it or decorate it in your bedroom or in your, like, anywhere else, like your bag or the bag you put or go to work or to school, whatever you do. And very nice, like, piece of accessory to use. So yeah, that's that, and let's move on to the next one. And now basically this is a sacred kind of wallet. Now this is actually really nice. It's actually leather, by the way, and here you can put like your credit card or your any type of card, like cash, even cash, but I will show you where you can put your cash. You can put your cash also here, or also cards. Let's actually take that away. See, very nice quality leather, very nice. As you can see, it got the authenticity card showing that it's leather. Very nice piece of item from Sacred. And here they just put like a sample €50 fake note here, just so they can show what you can do with it. So basically I got a note, yeah. And basically, if you're wondering what this piece of metal is, you can fold your note, yeah. You can put it inside. Okay, so you're gonna put it inside, and this actually doesn't even fall that easily. So yeah, that's very nice. I will be using this in the future. And then to take your money out, all you need to do is push this like up and it will come. So look, push it, boom, it will come. Now that is really cool. See? Now I'm gonna do it again. So push it. See, do this and it'll come out. So that's very nice. I think this is actually my favorite from both of them, because that is pretty much it, what comes in the goodie bag. It only comes with the box for the wallet, nothing too special, and money, and the SprayGround bag. Very nice, I really liked it. Once again, shout out to my boy Khalid for giving me it, and basically that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to watch my previous videos, especially from yesterday's. And yeah, link's gonna be down in the description below, and I will see you in the future videos. Stay cool and peace.